Okay, this is going to be a quick one. Was printing a 3D infinity cube, and as it printed, it knocked over the pillars, created this mess of spaghetti that you see here. As we look through this, we see the spaghetti. We move that aside. We see the pillars, and there's some definite under extrusion there, and that's what caused them to fall over. This was printed at the very last kilo of a 5 kilo spool. I checked the filament coming off the spool holder, and it was a little rough to pull. So I pulled up the slicer. I'm restarting it. I re-spooled it so it's on a new spool, and I'm slowing down the print because I know that'll help. It's a relatively quick print anyway, and you'll see here it did print successfully. Sorry about the threading. It was a little bit moist, but I know that that'll clean up. As we look at it here, we'll see that the pillars are solid, and it's pretty easy to push on them. They're not breaking on pressure. So I'll pull it off the tray here, and here it is all cleaned up. The seams between the three pieces are in the back corner there on the bottom, but it's very hard to tell. It did clean up nicely. There we go.